Our flights are not ordinary. With wings of challenge and innovation, we invite you to soar high up with us. We embrace the world using latest technologies. Hojung believes opportunity knocks for those who are prepared to make it happen. We are tackling a variety of projects with the use of ultralight aircraft for precision surveying, UAV business consulting, and spatial information (DB) construction. At the core of Hojung's exciting geospatial technologies are the remom UAV and its LiDAR system. The remom, an ultralight fixed-wing UAV developed purely with Korean technology, has been recognized as the most sophisticated unmanned flight system in its class. With a sleek design and weighing just 3.5 kilograms, the remom endures a superb flight time of 90 minutes with the capacity to comfortably cover an impressive distance of 80 kilometers. This exceptional technology allows the remom to accomplish vast photographing missions quickly. From mission setup to takeoff, assembly and preparations can be done in just 10 minutes, creating efficiencies in all stages of the process. Its precise balance and advanced avionics provide a superior design to tolerate high wind conditions up to 10 meters per second and deliver superior images even under adverse weather conditions. Experience a new age of surveying with the remom. The USV is a waterborne prober for the purpose of conducting monitoring, exploration, and survey of rivers and reservoirs. It is a versatile, multi-purpose automated water management equipment which is emerging as a pivotal technology in the field of unmanned systems, one of the driving forces of the fourth industrial revolution. With a practical dimension of 1.1 meters long and 0.55 meters wide, the USV is able to generate over 8 hours of navigation with a telemetry range of 3 kilometers cruising at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Outstanding specs for delivering a vast amount of productivity through a user-friendly interface system. Indeed, the simple and easy-to-operate aspect makes the USV an approachable tool for clients to easily find the necessary solutions for even the most complex undertakings. The frontal camera and LiDAR sensors provide real-time obstacle and problem detection capabilities, while independently routing the optimal paths for navigation. Once you experience the multi-purpose USV, it will propel endless discoveries of applications in the field of water management. Furthermore, Hojung Solution's strength lies in its LiDAR sensor, the Velodyne LiDAR's VLP-16 sensor, a technology that enables the collection of three-dimensional data with impressive results for visualization of cultural assets for restoration projects and precision measurement of hard-to-reach places. The LiDAR's high-precision technology takes the production of DSM-DTM elevation modeling to an exceptional level, further raising the potential applicability of UAV to levels never realized before. With the unrivaled technology and know-how achieved through continuous R&D, Hojung Solution is reaching out its wings with projects in Ethiopia, Tanzania, Solomon Islands, Tunisia, and other parts of the world with compelling solutions. Flying gives the power to measure space from the sky. Navigating through the water, we capture the topography and explore the landscape. Hojung Solution drives innovative answers through harmonizing UAV technology to the existing field of geospatial information.